In this video, I'll show you how to install and load a 100% completed save file in Resident Evil 2 to unlock all modes, weapons and extras. Check my video description for this 100% save file. Right click and select WinRAR and select open with WinRAR. And now navigate to save location. This PC C drive users public documents Steam CODEX. Find this 883710 remote Win64 under save. Drag and drop this to desktop and then drag and drop this Win64 inside. Now you can launch the game, and once you are in game you can able to see the menu. It doesn't load story. Go to story, and here you can able to see costumes, everything unlocked as you can see, and load game. You can load a specific game and enjoy. And that's how you can install a 100% save for Resident Evil 2. I hope this video helped you. If the video helped you, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe. Thank you.